San Francisco and seafood go hand in hand. And right now, I'm on the Fisherman's Wharf at Alioto's restaurant to see what's being prepared from the morning's catch.
I'm gonna make a dish, and it's called swordfish a la non arroz. We got a piece of swordfish over here we slice. The swordfish already, and we got our ingredients, which is we got the olives, capers, tomato, shallots, zucchini, and we do our swordfish with salt, pepper, and pan fry right on there.
I love that. So really, it's simple ingredients. You're allowing the taste of the fish to come through. So we're gonna pan fry it first?
I'm gonna pan fry that first.
Let's do it.
Okay. They started turning a nice and brown.
Beautiful.
Sometimes people tend to cook the fish so much.
Right.
And the fish, when you overcook, it's not really, it loses all the taste, the texture, and the flavor on that. So you don't want to overcook the fish.
Okay, so our fish is sitting there. Now we're going to mix up the sauce.
Mix up the sauce.
Okay.
The main ingredient is zucchini.
And are we adding all of these ingredients into the sauce?
You start
here?
adding those ingredients as the zucchini cooking.
Okay.
You want to make sure the zucchini cooks. And it's not overcooked, but it's tender. The next thing you do is you add in your olives.
Olives, I
And
love
always thinking about
olives.
the firm ingredients, which is olives is pretty firm.
Wonderful.
Capers also.
Woo! That smells
Diced
so
tomatoes.
good. So some tomatoes in there as well. Woo! Look at the flames.
And then you have to add a little bit of white wine.
A little white wine won't hurt you.
So we got a white wine here, cooking wine. Which you can do any Chablis or white wine can do the trick over here in this dish. Okay.
Beautiful.
And I'm just gonna add a little salt and pepper.
A little salt and pepper.
So that's about it. See that?
Perfect, chef. This is probably my favorite part of cooking is plating the food because I think we eat with our eyes first.
Because that's what I think is you always wait for the special moment is when it's ready to do.
Yeah.
When it's ready, you go right into your mouth, and it's you can start to see the flavors or feel the flavors in there, and then make sure you do the first bite with everything together. You know, all the ingredients you put in there with the fish, and that's how you taste the fish and the flavors of the sauce.
Wonderful.
So
Okay.
it's very important today.
Wonderful.
So this is great like that.
Yes.
And then you come in and do it, and you get your fish. Okay? And then you place your fish over. Okay? And then we can do just garnishing with a little bit of chive.
Absolutely wonderful. And there you have it, swordfish nana rolls, right here from Alioto's. Be sure to come on down and try it. Thank you so much, Chef. Would you like to learn more about any of the great destinations we've visited or dive a bit deeper into some of the topics on the show? Then we've got a destination for you. Visit athomewithdidier.com. There you'll find a world of ideas and inspiration designed to give you insights towards a happier, healthier lifestyle. Again, that's athomewithdidier.com.